Hello friends. Now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. B stands for brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for of, multiplication, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here is the expression. We'll break it down by the step-by-step solution. Now first step, solve the innermost round brackets. Now as you can see here, inside the round brackets we perform division first. So first there is a innermost bracket 44 divided by 4 minus 44. Now in step 1, first we divide the values. 44 divided by 4 equals to 11, and after we subtract the values, 11 minus 44 is equal to 33, but minus 33 because the larger digit has a negative sign. Now in step 1 we solve the innermost bracket first to simplify the core of the expression. Now expression becomes 44 divided by 4 plus square bracket 44 minus curly bracket 44 plus minus 33. Now curly bracket and square bracket off. In step 2, solve the curly brackets. We simplify the sign plus and minus becomes minus and perform the addition and subtraction. So first there is a 44 minus 33. So plus minus minus and then answer will be 11. And in this step 2, brackets must be removed in the order from the innermost to outermost. Now the expression becomes 44 divided by 4 plus square bracket 44 minus 11. Now step brackets, as you can see, square bracket. So 44 minus 11. So after subtraction we'll get 33. So in step 3, this complete the B brackets portion of the BODMAS rule. Now the expression becomes 44 divided by 4 plus 33. Now the next step, 4th step, before adding we must handle the division outside the bracket. So first we divide the values. 44 divided by 4 is equal to 11. Now in step 4 the division take precedence over the addition in order of operation. Now expression becomes 11 plus 33. Now final step is addition, and the final step is to sum the remaining values. After adding we'll get 44. Is the final answer, and the conclusion says by systematically following the BODMAS rule we ensure that the complex nested brackets were simplified first before moving to the external division and addition. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.